Hey, I took them all out. Replaced them all. Just that one piece of we put them all and they all died.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
I told them take them up again.
All right, I just want to make sure that
You both to me, yeah, I'm aware, I was looking at my trying to figure out what I need to put down there. I ain't gonna do that.
Okay.
But I'm on it.
Okay.
Mr. Clark, good afternoon.
Welcome to the welcome to the regular scheduled public meeting of the Zoning Board of Appeals of the Shreveport-Caddo Parish Metropolitan Planning Commission. For public hearing agenda items, if you wish to make public comments on an application, we have comment slips at the speaker's stand next to the podium. For future notification purposes, it is very important that you fill out a slip and drop it in the box when you come forward to speak. Please state your full name, mailing address, and zip code before addressing the board. We will call each case on the agenda in order and hear first from the applicant, then those speaking in favor. 10 minutes are allotted for the principal spokesperson and 3 minutes for each additional speaker. We will then hear from those wishing to speak against an application. Again, 10 minutes are allotted for the principal spokesperson and 3 minutes for each additional speaker. One representative of the application may then speak in rebuttal if desired. After hearing comments on each case, the board will then immediately deliberate and vote on that case before moving on to the next case on our agenda. Please note that when the board is deliberating, members of the public are not permitted to comment. Any member of the public may request a copy of the board's decisions on a particular case by contacting our office at 318-673-6480 after 1 p.m. tomorrow, or by accessing our website at shreveportcaddompc.com. All ZBA decisions on variances to zoning within the city limits of Shreveport are subject to appeal to district court. All ZBA decisions on special exception uses within the city limits of Shreveport are subject to appeal to City Council. Please note that it is your responsibility to contact either district court or the City Council about their procedures as related to the matter you are concerned with. Copies of this document and the phone numbers to contact the governing bodies are available on the table next to the podium and in the entryway to this room. As a courtesy, please remember to turn off all cell phones while the ZBA is in session. The Zoning Board of Appeals values your testimony and appreciates your compliance with these guidelines. As this board convenes today to make decisions affecting the citizens of Shreveport, I ask you to open your minds and your hearts. Our serious duty is to look to the community we share, the examples we set, and the legacies we leave. That should be our greatest, most courageous, and noble intention. Let this be our sincere and constant goal. And if you'll now please join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
We hear from the approval of minutes for August 17th, 2022.
I move to approve the minutes.
Motion by Mr. Hendricks,
Second.
second by Mr. Woods. If you'll open for voting, please. Please vote. Motion carries, well.
I abstained
one
because I wasn't here.
Right, motion carries,
Get mine.
3. Oh, waiting for, do we need to reset?
You need to
Mr.
reset
Brandon?
for Dr. Marshall to do it again.
You vote again.
Please vote again, see if we can get them on going.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It should.
They just have to do a voice.
Can't get mine.
Not responding?
This is not.
All right, we'll do a physical vote. All in favor, raise your right hand. All opposed? One abstention. Thank you very much. All right, first case on today's agenda is 22-27 BAC, 2202 Carlton Street. Paula Williams.
Just state my name and address. Paula Williams, 2202 Carlton Street, Shreveport, Louisiana, 71103.
Thank you, Ms. Williams. We've been briefed on what you're here to ask the board for. Do you have any comments to add?
I do not.
All right, any questions for Ms. Williams from the board? All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Anyone else wish to speak for case case 22-27 BAC? Anyone here to speak against this case? All right, what do we hear?
Please note, Mr. Chair, you have a letter of opposition from Mr. Nathan Hart.
Duly noted. Is everyone aware of the letter of opposition? Had a chance to look at it? All right, what do we hear?
Move to approve with stipulations as noted in the report.
All right, motion by Mr. Hendricks to approve with stipulations. Second by Mr. Brandon. Any discussion? All right, let's try one more time to vote. If not, we'll do a voice vote. Is it? They're not up yet.
They're not up yet.
All right.
Should be up now.
All right, Shari, do you want to just record the computer votes and then we'll take Mr. Brandon's as a voice vote and add it to the record? All right, motion carries unanimously with
Yes.
Mr. Brandon being an additional yes. All right, case number 22-29 BAC, 3136 Montana Drive.
My name is Cynthia Williams. My physical address is 745 Tecumseh Trail, Shreveport, Louisiana, 71107. Here to, in regards to the special exception use, I want to put a home at the location of 3136 Montana Street, which is my own property.
All right, thank you, Ms. Williams. Any questions from the board?
Are you going to be living?
Yeah, Mr. Woods?
Are you going to be living in the home?
Yes, sir. Currently, I rent, and my family has owned that property since late 50s, early 60s. And there was a house there, but it got torn down, and I've not been able to do anything with it until now. And I'm ready to become a homeowner.
All right, thank you very much. Anyone else wish to speak for case 22-29 BAC? Anyone wish to speak against 22-29 BAC? All right, what do we hear?
I move to approve with the stipulations outlined in the staff report.
Second.
Motion by Mr. Hendricks, Second by Mr. Woods to approve with stipulations from the staff. Any discussion? All right, please vote. All right, Mr. Brandon, what is your vote?
Yes.
All right, so that's a unanimous vote. Which brings us to the end of our public hearing. Thank you very much. Our committee chair reports, we had a nominating committee established, but I think we've agreed that we will hold our election since we're so close to the end of the year to vote in December. So if we can have a slate of officers prepared at the December meeting for chair, vice chair, and secretary. Mr. Clark?
Yes, sir. I was wondering what those citizens were here for, if they wanted to make public comments, but
I was too.
they got up and left. I don't know if you would allow us just 1 minute to go out and find out.
Sure.
Exactly what the situation was.
Maybe we moved along at a pace they weren't expecting.
You're going too fast, Mr. Chair. You're gonna have to slow down. But while we're waiting on that, I'd just like to just share with you, we will have information for you. I thought that the discussions upstairs were very interesting, and we would love to give you more information about the comparison between housing, types of housing and prices of houses and so forth, and we will work very diligently between now and your meeting next month to provide in-depth information about those matters to you. And we plan to continue this process throughout the rest of the year, just bringing you new and different information about developing trends and new trends and so forth, and more information about the cases that you're hearing. So if you're not excited, I hope you will get excited. I'm very excited. It gives the planners an opportunity to get beyond the regular zoning cases and do some actual planning and provide you with some very valuable information. And that's all I have, Mr. Chair. And I guess these were members that were coming for one of the short-term rentals.
Oh.
That was not on the agenda, and evidently we didn't get the information, they didn't get the information that it was removed from the agenda.
All right. Well, is there any board comments? All right. In that case, we're adjourned.
My kind of meeting. Short and to the point.
Do you want to come back next month so we can have a longer meeting? You just said you leave.